Don't be jealous.
Don't be jealous.
Don't be jealous.
Excuse me, sir, you dropped your wallet.
Excuse me, sir, you dropped your wallet.
Excuse me, sir, you dropped your wallet.
Excuse me, sir. You dropped your wallet.
Tidy up your room.
Tidy up your room.
Tidy up your room.
Tidy up your room.
Who's cooking tonight?
Who's cooking tonight?
Who's cooking tonight?
Who's cooking tonight?
Let me tuck you in.
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 How dare you speak to me like that?
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 Why don't you put on your hat?
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 Is it enough or you want more?
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 Can mommy play with you?
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 Can you get me the spoon?
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 Get down or you might fall.
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 I'm in charge of team.
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 The most important meal of the day is breakfast.
The most important meal of the day is breakfast.
The most important meal of the day is breakfast.
The most important meal of the day is breakfast. My mother taught me how to cook.
My mother taught me how to cook.
My mother taught me how to cook.
My mother taught me how to cook. You spoiled my appetite.
You spoiled my appetite.
You spoiled my appetite.
You spoiled my appetite. Adam is saying hi to you.
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 She slapped him.
She slapped him.
She slapped him.
She slapped him.
You're driving too fast.
You're driving too fast.
You're driving too fast.